Hey guys, what's going on? If you're new here, welcome. My name is BrittanyNichole, and today we are playing with the Kathleen Lights X Colourpop So Jaded palette. So we are doing an eye tutorial only, this one right here, obviously, and we are using two main shadows in this. That is right, two main shadows, and we are getting this. I am so shocked at how beautiful this is, and let me tell you right now, there is no base under this. This is purely the eyeshadow and then a little bit of setting spray, and this is the pigment you get with these. So if you guys are new to my channel, hello. I tend to use 2-3 shadows maximum when I do eyeshadow looks because I have hooded eyes and it tends to look really heavy if I go in with too many eyeshadows. So that's what we are doing with this look right here. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I've been playing with this for a day and I was in a super big rut. I tried to go in and do an all purple look. I tried to go in and do an all blue look. You can see I've played with a lot of these shadows and nothing was translating for me. It just wasn't working out. So then I reeled it back in and said, Brittany, go with what you're comfortable with. 2-3 shadow max, and I ended up coming up with this, and I absolutely love how it turned out. So this is no different from any of the other Colourpop formulas. Colourpop is such a consistent brand with their eyeshadows. They are always bomb. They always blend out beautifully and they are so pigmented, and this is no different, except these to me are a little more pigmented. Now there is a lot of fallout with this palette, so this is one that you're gonna definitely wanna go in and do your foundation first. I didn't, and you'll see in the video, I get a lot of fallout. So do your foundation first with this one, but if you are interested in seeing how I got this look right here, go ahead and keep watching. All right, so we have all of our makeup done. I've already done this eye and we're gonna work on this eye. So we're mainly going in with Emerald, which is this shade right here. This one, which is called Period. I feel like that's how you have to say that. And then we're gonna take a little bit of Geodude to kind of blend out, but just a touch. I am gonna be going in with my bronzer to blend out as well. So I'm just gonna take a flat brush. This is just a craft store brush, and I'm gonna make sure to spray that, and then I'm gonna dip. So this is definitely one of those palettes that has significant fallout. So I have some fallout here. It's not too bad. I did do my eyes first and then I went in and blended after I did my makeup, as I always do. So I'm probably gonna get some fallout here. So if you can do your eyes before you do the rest of your face, definitely do that with this one. So we're basically just gonna kind of add this into the outer corner. Let me scoot in actually for you guys so you guys can see what's going on here. So I'm gonna dip again, spray, and we're basically just gonna kind of do a whole halo eye type of thing. These shadows are a lot more pigmented when you spray them. They're very pigmented when you don't spray them as well. I'm already getting some fallout, but I think they perform and look a lot better when you do spray them. I'm trying not to take this too high into the crease, as you could see with this one as well. And we're obviously not using any kind of base on this. I just have like minimal concealer on my lids just to cancel out a little bit of the discoloration. And you could see how pigmented these are. These are. Getting a little too excited. So you could see I naturally have a crease right there, and that's where I'm basically taking the shadow up to. All right, so I'm gonna leave it like that. I know it looks like crap, but don't worry, we'll get there. So now I'm taking this little Eco Tools concealer brush and I'm going to dip into Period, and again, do the same thing. I'm gonna spray, apply, spray, apply, and I'm basically just taking this where I haven't put any color, and this is just gonna kinda create the whole halo eye effect. It's crazy how reflective that is. I'm looking at it in my viewfinder. I would assume it's coming off that way on camera, but beautiful. I think my downstairs neighbor listens to like show tunes or like old time music, because if you guys can hear that, it sounds like show tunes, and it's 7:15 p.m. on a Monday night. Going back into Emerald now, and I know this is super tedious to have to spray this every time, but trust me, it is worth it to not have a ton of fallout on your face. I'm just gonna go in and blend the two together so it's not quite so harsh. And I could see that this is a little bit, it would help if I removed the compact in the way of the mirror. Hello, Brittany. This is just gonna kind of help to blend these because I think this is a little smaller than this one, but we'll see. I'm actually gonna grab a smaller brush. I'm gonna grab this super old MAC brush that I literally cannot read what the number is. I've had it for so long, but I'm gonna go in with that, with Emerald, just to really kind of target where I wanna get that color. I'm also gonna take Period before we blend that and throw that right in the inner corner like we have on this side. I'm taking that under as well. It feels like I'm drawing with a marker because it's so pigmented. We're also gonna apply, let's go ahead before we blend this out and apply Emerald and Period to the bottom lash line as well. So I'm basically just following the same thing. Outer corner. My hair in the back is kind of a mess. Can you see? Yeah, you can see. So it's the end of the night. Bear with me here, guys. I'm just gonna work this on the outer and then the inner as well. It's hard to show you because the compact, and then right in the center, Period. And you do want to kind of smoke that out a bit because once we put on lash mascara and lashes, but we're not applying lashes to the lower lash line, it's going to kind of be hidden. So then you can kind of just switch back and forth between brushes and blend. Alright, so now I'm going to start to blend this hot mess right now. So this is just a Morphe M506. It's a very, very tiny, tiny, tiny little brush. I'm just going to try to hit the edges. So I'm holding my brush out like this, so I'm not taking away any of the shimmer. Now we are gonna probably have to touch it up because some shimmer is gonna fall down, but I'm really gonna try to focus on just blending the edges, and I'm gonna take a little bit of Geodude and a little bit of my bronzer and work that as well to just help blend. Now I don't wanna take this too high up though. I am going to switch to this brush. This is a Wet n Wild brush that I got in a set. It's just kind of a flat, fluffy brush, but it's also kind of flat, so you could pack if you wanted to. And because it's kind of pinched, it helps me to not take this color too high up. Just dipping in my bronzer. Alright, so you could see that a lot of the shimmer fell down from blending. So now I'm just going to kind of rock back and forth between Emerald and Period and just build the color up to where I want it. Alright you guys, so I'm happy with that for now. I know it looks kind of not so great right now, but once we get lashes and liner on, which I'm going to do off camera, this will all come together. It's like magic. I'm also going to apply a yellow liner to my lower waterline that just helps everything pop. And you could see I have a crap ton fallout right here. Unfortunately, when you blend, there's just no way around it with this one. So I am gonna kind of remove my concealer and then apply it again off camera because that just looks like a hot mess right now. So I'm gonna go do all of that and then I will be right back here. All right, you guys, lashes and liner are on. I also added a gloss because I just cannot do the matte lip anymore, but this is what everything is looking like, and I think it looks so good. Adding the liner and the lashes makes such a difference with this. I think it's the contrast of the darkness of the liner and the brightness of the metallics, but it is so pretty. I love this. This is one of those looks where you make a statement when you wear it, but it's still not super difficult to wear, and I know each and every one of you can achieve it because we literally used 2 shadows. So thank you so much for watching. I want to see if you guys got this palette, what you recreated. Tag me on Instagram, DM me on Instagram. I'll leave my handle right here. I want to see what you guys do, and then I want to try to recreate some of those and get some more inspiration. I'm so glad I stuck with the palette and continued to try different things until I've landed on something that I liked. I was about to pitch it and just say this isn't working for me, but then bringing it back into my comfort zone of 2-3 shadow maximum really just hit it home for me. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, as always, please let me know down below. Otherwise, if you're interested in seeing any more videos from me, please subscribe. It means the absolute world to me, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.